Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. On this occasion, I want to tell you a story about myself. My name is Filda Inaka Nasya. Speaking of my name, I'd like to tell you a little bit about its meaning. Okay, I'll tell you one by one. First, Filda means an expressive and social person. Then, Inaka means stand up for truth and be brave. Finally, Nasya means a miracle from God. So, the meaning of my own name is a woman who is a miracle from God endowed with an expressive, peaceful, courageous, and social nature. More or less like that. Okay, that's my full name and meaning. Well, people usually call me Filda, but many also call me Pilda. The reason is that it's easier from them to say P than V. It's very funny, but I accept. That's why they will be closer to me. Because my name is so rare, I rarely find people with the same name as me. It's very interesting because I have a name that nobody else has. Okay, next. After talking about my name and its meaning, now I want to tell you about my hometown. I was born in Kudus, October 9, 2001. Currently, I live in Muria Complex number 17, Gondang Manis Village, Kudus, Central Java. Kudus is known as the city of Kretek and is known for the term Gus Jigang, bagus, mengaji, and berdagang. Kudus is renowned for its culture. There are many religious stores in Kudus. One is the mosque of the Menara Kudus in the Kauman village and also the site of the pilgrimage to the Sunan Kudus tomb. It resembles temple buildings and architectural patterns that incorporate Islamic, Hindu, and Buddhist features. In addition, in Kudus, it is famous for its food, which lenta Kudus and jenang are often made as souvenirs for those who come to Kudus. And once again, soto kerbau in Kudus. It's known to be delicious. Kudus has one mountain that is not active. It's known as Muria Mount. And of course, there are many other tourist spots to visit when visiting Kudus. It's interesting to talk about my hometown, Kudus. Now, let me tell you a little bit about my character. Speaking of the positive things that I have, I'm a tenacious person, a brave person trying new things, and humble. I was born an ordinary person, but I wanted to grow up to be extraordinary. A good listener, honest, friendly, and responsible. As I explained at the outset of the meaning of my name, I am also socially concerned and highly empathetic. Had disunity and want to live in peace. I love to encourage people, one with a smile and encouragement. However, in spite of all the positive things I had, I felt something less like being unstable and took me a long time to make up my mind. I am also a moody and a little sensitive person, but I try to overcome that which is unkind in me by always learning to be better. Next, about my level in English command and skill now, I don't really know at which level I'm now, but I think I'm at a middle level. Why do I think like that? Because sometimes I feel that I'm good at English, but sometimes I also feel that I'm bad at English. It is because there are still many things that I didn't know yet. I feel happy to learning English because I can improve my English skill and I have a wish to be fluent in English. But I'm afraid if I can't follow the lesson English well, and I still feel ashamed to speak English in public. Okay, last but not least, it seems to me that everyone should achieve his own success at various times. For me, success is when I can reach the goals of my life, make my parents happy, and put benefit to those around me. My success is that when everything I need and I try, I can truly accomplish God's permissions. And I believe I can achieve that success by always studying, praying, trying, and seeking my parents' approval. Okay, I think that's all I can say about my introduction. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.